Remove watermark from image. Go to your layers, add a new layer, go to brush tool or press B, select any color and paint on the watermarks on the photo. Press shift and right click to make a perfect line. Repeat this process until all the watermarks that you want to remove is selected. After selecting all of your watermarks, go to layers, hold Ctrl and right click to select all the brushes. Now hide this layer, select your image, go to edit, fill and make sure it is on content aware fill. Click OK. Press Ctrl D to deselect, and that's how you can remove all the watermarks from your image. The easiest and the simplest way to remove a background of any image. Go to your layers, make sure your image is rasterized. If this option is available, then click on rasterize layer. After that, go to properties and scroll down, click on the remove background. It will automatically remove your background, as you can see, and it does a pretty good job. This is another example with a complex background image. Let's remove its background too to see the results. As you can see, it does a pretty good job to remove the background of a complex image. Add background blur in Photoshop with these simple steps. Go to select, subject, and Photoshop will select your object automatically. Press Ctrl plus J to duplicate. Right click on the object, select pixels, go to select again, click on modify, expand and expand it about 10 to 20 pixels. Now hide your layer 1, click on the first layer, go to edit, fill and make sure it is on content aware, click OK. Unhide the first layer, deselect your selection. Now go to filters, blur, Gaussian blur, set the radius according to your need. I will do about 30 and click OK, and there you have it. Add text behind the object in few steps. Duplicate your layer by pressing Ctrl or Command plus J. Add another layer and hit T to bring up the text tool. Add your text. Mine is Viper, which is the name of the character. Select the move tool and hit Ctrl plus T. Adjust your text according to your need. Go to layers. Bring the text layer in between the object layers. Click on the first layer. Click on the first layer of an object, right click and hit clipping mask. Go to text layer, FX and click on the stroke. Add value according to your need. Mine is 5. Hit OK and there you have it. How to change background of your image in just 1 minute. Select your subject layer. Go to select. Select and mask, click on select subject, select the black and white channel, refine your selection, go back to onion skin, increase the value of smooth to make the edges smooth, increase the contrast and make sure your output is selected to layer mask and click OK. And that's how you can change your background of your image.
Would I be better if I